Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your economics class. Students, today I will start your next chapter, chapter number 6, diagrammatic presentation of data. In this chapter, we learn about bar diagrams and pie diagrams. Okay. So first is introduction. Diagrammatic presentation is an ideal and most convincing technique of presenting statistical data. Diagrammatic presentation is eye-catching effect. Okay, it is eye-catching presentation. Okay, with the first look and a person get information that what is the conclusion of particular information, what is the problem. Okay, there. So this is easiest way of communication. A layman can also recognize the data within with a one look. Okay. Meaning of diagrammatic presentation. First is definition. Diagrammatic presentation is geometric technique of presenting numerical information through bar diagram, rectangles, pie diagrams, pictograms or cartograms. So numerical information presented on a plain paper with pencil and scale in a diagrammatic presentation leaves memorable effect upon the mind of reader. Next is, what are the objectives of diagrammatic presentation? So the following are the objectives: to make mass complex data comprehensive, to have eye-catching and long-lasting effect upon reader's mind. With a one look, a reader can get each and every information, making vast data comparable. So when data is presented through diagram, it is comparable. To make quick interpretation of data, as I said, with a one look you can interpret the data, making the data universally acceptable. To make the statistical information attractive and entertaining. Now, merits and advantages and utility of diagrammatic presentation. So first is make data simple and intelligible. Statistical diagrams simplify the complex data, reveals almost all the characteristics of entire data. Attractive and impressive. Okay, so such an expression has an immediate effect upon mind of human mind because numerical figures are presented through attractive diagram. It has therefore greater publicity and propaganda value in modern age. Make comparison possible. So the objectives now become the merits or advantages. So diagram present data in a simple, clear and effective manner and facilitate comparison of values, trends and relationship. Lasting effect. Diagrams are eye-catching, therefore have a great memorizing effect on the human mind. More informative. So diagrams are more informative than tables or another method of presentation. So textual statistical diagram clearly indicate trends and tendency, therefore considered as more informative than statistical series. Limitations. First of all, misuse. Diagrammatic presentation of fact can easily be misused by the biased attitude of an investigator that may be lead to misleading conclusion. So in diagram, biasness is there. Investigator can present the data with biasness. A rough idea. Diagram portray only a rough idea about the statistical fact. Okay, it lacks the characteristic of mathematical and exact conclusions. Limited use. This is not an approach of analyzing statistical fact. Okay, an ordinary man cannot make correct decisions from them. Misleading conclusions. A slight mistake in selecting a suitable diagram and its scale may be result into misleading conclusions. So these are the limitations. Now difference between tabulation and diagrammatic presentation, students. So tabulation means present the data in rows and column, and diagram means present the data by using diagram, bar diagram, rectangle, pie diagram, pictogram and cartograms. So tabulation of data do not have long lasting effect upon our mind, whereas diagrammatic presentation has stable and permanent effect on our mind. Diagrammatic presentation is more attractive and effective as compared to tabulation. Tabulation can present large amount of data, whereas diagrammatic presentation can present small amount of data can be depicted. In tabulation, actual data is presented, whereas it is approximated in diagrams. Okay. So in table, data is actually, figures are actual, but in diagram, figures are approximately depicted. Diagrammatic presentation is better presenting data in comparable form as compared to table. So next is students general rules of constructing diagram. First is attractive and effective. So diagram must be neat, clean and effective. Okay, it make a visual impact on the viewer. Proper size is there. Okay, a proper size or proportion between height, width of the diagram should be maintained accordingly to availability of space. Proper title is there. Each diagram should be given a suitable heading to indicate the subject matter and various facts depicted in the diagram. Proper scale. A scale must be chosen with great caution so that the size of the diagram is reasonable. Proper shades and colors. Different colors, shades, dot, dashes, dot lines, etc. must be used while drawing a diagram. Footnote must be there. Okay, if it is necessary, then it is to be there, not must. So footnote may be given at the left hand bottom of the diagram to explain certain point of the fact. Sources of data must be appended at the bottom. Accuracy. A diagram must be drawn accurately according to the data given. Diagram not may be made attractive and impressive at the cost of accuracy of original data. Simplicity must be there. Diagram should be made as simple as possible so that they are easily understood even by a layman who does not have any mathematical or statistical background. Okay students, so these are the general rules. I hope the introduction and the meaning, merits, limitation is clear to you.